Just imagine making money online by simply reading emails. You want to know how much you can make from reading these emails. Let me tell you. 10 emails can give you $50. 20 emails can earn you up to $150. If you read 30 emails, you can earn up to $250. And if you read 40 emails, you can earn up to $400. Did I tell you it's free? So you won't need any startup money. You're going to want to hang in here with me though, because I am going to show you, as always, step by step how to do this process. And if you stay to the end of the video, I'm going to show you another process where you can make twice as much money as this. And it's passive. Before I get into the video, go ahead and do me a favor. It helps me out. Subscribe to the channel, demolish that bell, and it helps you out so that way you can get notifications about these awesome ways of making money online. All right, guys, we are going to go over to CLIXGenie.com. That's right, get paid to read some emails, guys. You can make up to 40 cents for every email that you read. Let's check this out. Friendly interface, multiple level commissions, multiple earning options, super fast, transparent, secure. Sounds like my kind of site. You're going to get a penny just from signing up. Multiple payment options. You can also get paid through Bitcoin or perfect money instantly. Secure is 100% safe and secure. This is also a brand new site, guys. You're going to love it. Okay, they're starting to get some members, paying out some money. People getting started. Register and earn some money. Register within 30 seconds. Real-time stats. Available to everybody worldwide. That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead and put in the comments where you live because it helps me make these videos for you. Rapid customer service. Guys, this is a big deal. Offers 24-hour customer support. Customer service is huge. Huge. Security, simplicity, easiness. Oh, I like some easy stuff. Questions. I'm showing you all this because I had a question and I went down here and it answered it for me. You can send in a ticket to see 2021. All right, are you ready? Let's go ahead and register. All right, you need to create a username. Put in your email. Password, it's pretty normal to most stuff you sign up for. First, last, address, where you live, what you are, female, male, fur, I'm not a robot. Answer these and hit register. Meet me on the next page. Okay guys, it's going to tell you to check your email. So go ahead and check your email and then click on the link. After you've clicked the link in your email, then you will see this. Go ahead and sign in, and I'll see you on the next page. Okay, then it says verification code has been sent to your email address. It will be valid for 60 minutes. Enter the code to continue. So put that code in right here and continue. All right, and finally, you're going to arrive at your back office. Okay, this is very important. This is your referral link. Now, it's not exactly what you're thinking, but this is really important. Okay. Referrals, all your referrals that you're going to get are going to be listed here. This is going to be about your money. Statistics, that's nothing. But if we go down here, we also can look at some payment proof. Now, these are instant. And from Brazil, Bangladesh. So they're instant payouts. If you're wondering how, let me show you. Okay, if you scroll to the bottom, it actually says how it works. Okay, how it works. How does CLIX Genie work? One, you're going to register, validate your account. You'll start receiving daily emails from the advertisers. For every email that you open, click and stay on the advertiser's website for a predetermined amount of time. Then boom, you get paid. Earn more referring friends and other people. That's why I said that link is so important. Now you can earn more for every active referral that you get, up to 5 levels deep. This is awesome. Below, you will find how much commission you get for each active referral. So 100% for one, and then you get, so basically you get this on top of then this, and then this, and this, and this, which is really, really good. So not only can you make money from reading the emails, if you refer people, you can make even more money, which just is an extra perk, which is really awesome. Your direct referrals, I like this. Your direct referrals of direct referrals. Your direct referrals of direct referrals of direct referrals. Go to your account, grab your referral link, which is what I showed you. Start inviting your friends and others to join. The more people you refer, the more you will earn. That's it. You don't have to log in on a website, which is awesome. Click on ads. You can log on anywhere from your email address, open the email from us, click, watch the ad, and get paid. It's really simple. Boom. Hey, if you like that, you gotta like this video. Now, I don't know what else is gonna be any easier than that. And it's worldwide, and it's free. Come on. The number 2 things that we always look for, right? But I know it's an active way to make money. And I want to tell you about a passive way to make money where you can completely dominate your bank account, okay? Listen, it's the first link in the bio. If you need any help, just put it in the comments. But you're going to want to click on that, I promise. And thank you for watching this video. If you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified. And listen, if you like this video, then there's going to be another video that's coming up on the screen. Go ahead and watch that video. And I'm going to see you on there. Bye.